The London hammer, the tool trapped in ancient stone. In 1936, while hiking near Red Creek outside London, Texas, a couple named Max and Emma Hahn spotted something strange jutting from a rock face. It looked like an old hammer handle, but it was buried inside solid stone. When they brought it home and cleaned the surface, they realized this was no ordinary find. It was a hammer frozen in rock that, according to tests, dated to over 100 million years old. The hammer's head was made of pure iron, nearly flawless 96% iron with traces of chlorine and sulfur, a combination no ancient blacksmith could have created. It didn't rust, didn't pit, didn't age. The wooden handle had even begun to turn to coal, as if time itself had tried to erase it. And yet, the tool looked as if it could still strike a nail today. Scientists tried to explain it away. Some claimed the rock had hardened around the hammer in recent centuries, but geologists who tested fragments found the limestone matched formations from the early Cretaceous period, the age of dinosaurs. If true, that meant someone or something crafted metal tools at a time when mammals were barely the size of rats. That's when the story exploded. Newspapers called it proof of a lost civilization. Skeptics called it a hoax. But every test deepened the mystery. Under microscopes, the metal structure appeared too uniform, as though it had been forged using techniques centuries ahead of known history. There were no bubbles, no slag, no imperfections. Even modern metallurgists admitted they couldn't reproduce it easily. It didn't help that the hammer's chemistry seemed to laugh at time. Exposed to air, water, and humidity for decades, it never rusted. It was as if whoever made it understood something we don't, some process to bind metal in ways we've forgotten. And that's where the whispers began. Maybe it wasn't human at all. You can almost imagine it, a world before ours, wiped from memory, where beings walked the earth with technology we can't explain. Maybe that hammer fell, was buried, and the world shifted around it. Layer by layer, Earth sealed it away, like a secret waiting for someone curious enough to notice. And if you're still listening, wondering what else could be hidden in stone, you're the kind of explorer this channel was made for, so don't just watch. Dig deeper and like and subscribe at Yahweh Stories 444. Today, the London hammer rests in the Creation Evidence Museum in Glen Rose, Texas. Visitors still press close to the glass, searching the stone for answers. Some see proof of forgotten age, others a geological fluke. But the hammer sits silently, daring anyone to explain it away. If it's genuine, history is wrong. If it's fake, geology has a lot to answer for. Either way, it reminds us that truth doesn't always fit neatly into textbooks. Sometimes, the past hides its secrets in plain sight, waiting for one crack in the stone to reveal what should never have existed. And when you look at that ancient hammer, sealed in rock older than humanity, you have to ask yourself, who swung it first? Like and subscribe at Yahweh Stories 444.